Hello students, welcome to Self-Sets classes. Today I am going to draw graph of function. Now we'll discuss here how to draw the graph of fx equal to mod of cos x. To draw the graph of fx equal to mod cos x, we have to know about the cos x function and the modulus cos x function. First we will draw the graph of cos x. First we will draw the graph of cos x here, and that will be like this. Cos x is 0 when x equal to 0, cos x equal to 1, and cos is 0 when x equal to pi by 2. Then it is going like this. This type it is going, and here it is only mirror image, as cos of minus x equal to cos x. It is an even function, so it is a mirror image of this. It is a mirror image of this part. So the mirror image like this is going like this, going like this. Now let us, this is the axis and this is the axis. Now we will put a mod here. It is y equal to cos x. Now we are putting mod here, so cos x cannot be negative, and when cos x is negative, we will take the positive value of cos x, that is minus of cos x. So let us take another color to tell about this. Take this color. So when cos is negative, this part and this part cos is negative, so this part will be positive. Then it will be like this, and this part will be like this. So the graph of mod cos x will be like this, it is like this, then it is like this and this. They will be equal here. This will equal, it is also equal to this, is also equal to this. So this y equal to mod x, mod cos x. Go to this, go to y equal to mod cos x. Now let us tell the value. It is 2 pi, it is 2 pi, it is 0, it is pi by 2, it is pi, it is 3 pi by 2, and it is 2 pi. It is minus pi by 2, it is minus pi, it is minus 3 pi by 2, and it is minus 2 pi. In this way it is minus 2 pi, it is minus 3 pi by 2, it is minus, it is minus pi, it is minus pi by 2, and it is 0, it is pi by 2, it is pi, it is 3 pi by 2, and it is 2 pi. In this way it is going. Y equal to mod cos x, function is this. So we are done with the graph of y equal to mod cos x. Thank you.